How to get Google Lens on any device. Are you guys facing issues to get Google Lens on your devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. In order to use Google Lens on any devices, you just need to download Google application from your App Store. Just go over your App Store and search for Google. Once you search for Google, click on this Google icon and download it. Once you download it, open the Google app. You can see the option for Google Lens over here, right beside this mic icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to access Google Lens from any devices. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna get Google Lens on any devices. If you guys have any issues regarding Google Lens, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.